Hello, my name is Mark and welcome to Iron Organic Gardening located in Zone 6B in the state of New Jersey. And today I'm going to give you the cheapest, simple hack to stop your boards from rotting on the bottom of your raised bed garden from the soil up. After we install our raised bed in our garden to get at least 6 hours of sunlight and also near a water source, and now we should level it off, of course. We need to level it off lengthwise and also widthwise. Once both those things are done, we can start the hack. You have probably noticed in the past that your rotting always starts from the bottom and then travels upwards because it contacts the soil. Now that contact to the soil is very important because there's more bacteria and fungi activity going on right here at the soil level where it touches than actually in the soil. Now I'm going to share with you what you can use that's safe to use because you use it in cooking, baking, and grilling all the time. And now you can use it in your raised bed to stop the wood from rotting and line the inside and the bottom of that raised bed. And that's aluminum foil. Awesome. So let me show you how to do it. You can use any brand you want. This roll is 80 feet long and a foot wide, and I got it for several dollars. Just a quick disclaimer, I bought the product. This is not being endorsed by them at all. I'm simply going to take a piece of aluminum foil, like so, and just unroll about, let's say, 2 feet. Like this, and then we're going to fold it over 3 times so we have a width about 4 inches. Because I have a 2x4 at the bottom of this raised bed that contacts the soil, and that 2x4 is 3.5 inches, and it's going to sit right on top of that aluminum foil. I'm going to start my corners first, and I'm going to take the aluminum foil, pick up my raised bed, and slide it underneath that 2x4 like so it doesn't contact the soil. If you made your aluminum foil wider than you needed, do not pull it upwards. You don't want the water to cup inside here at all. You want the water to flow outwards. If your boards are smaller on the bottom than a 2x4 here that I have on my bottom, just keep folding the aluminum foil up to measure the same width of that board that you're contacting the ground with. So now to apply aluminum foil on the inside of your raised bed, just put the aluminum foil, I used about 2 feet long, start in your corners first, and then shape it towards your raised bed contour. And now this is the easy part. How do we hold that in place? Now we're going to backfill with soil later on, but use something as simple as free cardboard, cut it to size, and it will hold it up and also protect the aluminum foil from being hurt, like so, in the corners and also along your raised bed. And then we can take our soil slowly and backfill against that, and it won't hurt the aluminum foil. And plus, cardboard is safe to use. Just use cardboard that's brown. You don't really want anything that's glossy, and also remove your shipping labels and your plastic tape when applying this to the surface. Now you're just going to take another piece of aluminum foil, overlapping the other one about at least 1.5 inches, contour that in place, and again repeat, cut cardboard to fit and go right down a line. All nice and easy and simple to do. On my next video I'm going to show you how to fill that raised bed with free products, and also how to build and grow soil inside that raised bed so you can get nutrient dense vegetables. Until then, enjoy, share, and please like the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.